Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. And today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Redmi K90 Pro Max. And every year, Redmi releases this K series, which comes before the POCOs, which are the global versions of these K series devices. In other words, this one is the Chinese version of the POCO F8 Ultra, which was just launched by Xiaomi in the global market as well, which you also followed here on the channel. And you already know that if there's a link to buy the global version of it, I'll put it in the video description in case you find the POCO F8 Pro from Warehouse Brazil, since I know they have it. You'll find this one here right in the video description. So grab the link so you don't miss the giveaway opportunity. This is the 16GB RAM, 512GB version in denim color. It's beautiful and has an excellent grip. A unique device. And just a reminder, the winner of this guy here doesn't pay for shipping or any fees to receive the device directly at home. Guys, don't forget to leave that like, it helps a lot. Please check your channel subscription, enable the notification bell, and share this video if you can. Thanks. Now let's go to our initial unboxing review with first impressions of this launch, this awesome machine here, top Redmi K90 Pro Max. Let's go to the video. Let's do it. Unboxing starts with a white box featuring a silver background, the device model, and a reference to Xiaomi Hyper OS. And Bose as well, who developed the audio for this beauty. The side label shows the product version, indicating this is the Chinese version with only English language. And I already installed the Play Store for you, so it runs any app without any problem. Opening the box, we have an envelope with the ejector pin, a quick start guide, a warranty certificate, and a silicone case. We immediately see the smartphone below. And underneath it, we have a charging and data transfer cable with USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other. And it also comes with a 100-watt power charger. And now with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a big 6.9-inch screen. Active matrix organic light emitting diode with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, over 68 billion colors, high dynamic range 10 plus high dynamic range vivid, Dolby Vision, and a maximum brightness of up to 3500 nits. It has a really good grip, weighing 218 grams and is 7.9 millimeters thick. This denim blue color has a denim texture, making it unique and cool. The Bose logo next to the cameras looks amazing. Man, it definitely deserves that awesome slap on the back. Power and volume buttons are on the right, stereo speaker on top, left side is smooth, and the bottom has a dual nano SIM tray for 5G microphone, USB Type-C port, and another stereo speaker. It comes with Xiaomi Hyper Artificial Intelligence installed. I suggest installing Gemini, ChatGPT, and similar apps since most features are included, all in English and Chinese. One feature that's really cool on it is photo editing. It's working really well, as you can see in the image, with a very satisfying result. Now about the battery, sit down so you don't fall over from the shock you're going to get. Guys, 7,560 milliamp hours. Check out how thick this silicone carbon battery device is. It's a monster. The performance is insane. It easily lasts all day with no problem at all. It's really awesome. Now let's go to its processor test. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 3. Nanometers, it scored 3,800,000 points on Antutu. Temperature at 45.2 degrees, losing about 6% of battery. Let's run some footage now. Playing with it, accessing COD mobile with the graphics, setting everything to max. At max settings, there's no loss. The images flow perfectly without any issues. Any game you want will run just fine, guys. Literally running smoothly, everything you need. You won't have any headaches for a long time. This processor lets you relax, plus it has IP68 certification. You can submerge it up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes without damaging the device. Now for the operating system, we have Xiaomi Hyper Operating System 3 running directly on the smartphone with Android 16. It also has near-field communication connections so you can make contactless payments. Its fingerprint unlock on the screen is unlocking very quickly, and the facial recognition is also working very well. And there are 4 versions of this guy here. 12 gigs of RAM with 256, 12 with 512, 16 with 512, which is this one, and 16 gigs with 1 terabyte, all with universal flash storage 4.1 memory. It lacks memory expansion and eSIM support, but has dual nano SIM slots and 5G. Now let's go to his audio and video test. Let's go, guys. Audio and video test with the Redmi K90 Pro Max Advanced Quality 2160p. Let's turn the brightness up to the maximum here and also expand the screen and set the volume to the maximum. Unbelievable, let's go. Note that audio also plays from here. Do you feel the bass hitting here? Really cool, man, really cool. Guys, the audio and video are just amazing. His screen is incredible, really beautiful, very bright. The colors are really intense too, with excellent saturation. And his audio, with Buse's signature, is a show on its own. The audio is amazing, really awesome. This partnership with Buse really added a lot to the brand. You guys did a great job. Next, the front cameras. We have a 32 megapixel one that records 4K at 30 FPS. Let's look at some photos and videos from its front camera. Here it is, guys, the front camera of the Redmi K90 Pro Max. Max resolution 4K. 30 FPS, it doesn't do 4K 60 FPS, but it does 4K 30 FPS, but with very good image quality and stabilization. Still, look, I'm just holding it with my hand. See how it is? It stabilizes well. Let's take a spin for you guys. You can see that asking for high dynamic range here is a bit too much, right? There, the sky's all blue, and when it focuses on me, everything turns white. That's just too much. That would be too much, right? For a mid-range device, being able to record in 4K at 30 is already really good. Awesome. That's it, guys. Front camera of the K90 Pro Max. Guys, I really like this front camera, okay? The stabilization is really good, and the image quality is excellent too. I liked it a lot. And now let's go to its rear part, which has three 50 megapixel cameras. A main one with optical image stabilization, a second periscope telephoto with 5 times optical zoom, also with optical image stabilization, and a third ultra-wide. And all of this records in 8K at 30 FPS. Let's look at the results, photos, and videos from its rear cameras. Here's the Redmi K90 Pro Max's rear camera, 8K at 30 FPS. Let's see if it can zoom in here. 2, 6, half a dozen. One of Spain's most beautiful towns. They crossed out all of Spain there. Anyway, but in my opinion, I don't know if you agree, it's still one of the most beautiful. We've had over a week of rain and today is just okay. Look at the river, how it rose, how it filled up. There was practically no water flowing there. The river was barely trickling. The thin little stream of water, now it's all overflowing. This little house here is flooded. This area is closed off. You can't go through. Here and down there it's flooded, but that's it. Just walk a little bit here. You can see stabilization at -8K 30. Amazing, right? Look how incredible that is. Redmi K90 Pro Max, holding it in my right hand. Let's test the focus. Very fast, smooth too. Awesome. Guys, these cameras are really good. Did you see the result of this, man? Recording at 8K 30 frames per second with stabilization, applying some zoom there with excellent quality too. Really good. But anyway, comment what did you think about its rear cameras, and now let's go to our final summary. Positive points in my opinion: top of the line processor, amazing battery, 100-watt fast charging, wireless charging with a power of 50 watts. Large, beautiful 6.9-inch screen with excellent brightness and contrast. I really like the cameras too, especially the rear ones, and of course that stereo sound with the quality and signature of Bose. It's a spectacle, a show on its own, and as for the negative points, honestly, I didn't see any that were really standing out or causing much concern, okay? I didn't see anything that would make this device here get knocked down. But anyway, if you saw any negative points about it, comment down below, and also let me know what you thought of this video, what you thought of the device. Is it worth it? Is it not? Is it good? Is it bad? Anyway, I want to know your opinion. Before you go, if you enjoyed the video, please like it now if you haven't already. To help out, also check if you're subscribed and share this video with everyone. All right, we're in this together, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug and see you next time. Thanks. I'm out.